Hi friends, I'm Tech. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this modern block text style effect on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this text effect like a blocks on the block of text. So how to create this text effect on your Canva, it's just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just open a page and just click on the apps section on the Canva. You can find this apps. So it's like an app store. So here you just need to type as type lettering. So just type as type and then lettering, LETTR. Just type as type letter and just search here. And you can find a lot of options here. You just need to install this app called type lettering. Click on this. I just already installed it. You just need to add this to the Canva. And here you can find a lot of text effect. I just use this space text effect. It's a futuristic block. So this is, as I said, it's a block text effect. And here I just going to type as I am new block. You can see actually it's merged. You can just change it by using the line height. You can just change this by using this, and here the alignment, you can just align it, and also you can just change the color, and for an example purple or violet, whatever color you just needed. And also the inner color also might be customized by this option, and it's so useful. And here the font is used as I am block option, and just click on the add design, so it will be added here. So actually I just use two different sentence. I just use added one time and my name Tilak one time. Just change the color. So this is how you just create this block text effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.